Hi, this is Rachelle with Scrapcraftastic. I'm going to do my social media spread in the Dollar Tree planner, which I keep in this Pen and Gear Walmart Traveler's Notebook. This is approximately B6 size. The notebook is from Walmart and it's by Pen and Gear. I'm not sure if they still have these available. They were out with the back to school seasonal items, but I've heard rumor that they will be a regularly stocked item, but I don't know that for a fact. But it's really worth looking for them. And if you want to know more information about these notebooks, they do come in other colors and sizes. I'll link the video where I share those in the description box below and in the eye above. Also, I do have a Patreon, and it's patreon.com/scrapcraftastic, and this is one of the recent perks. So I do offer digital downloads there as well as peeks behind the scenes. The information for my Patreon account is also listed below. And then also I have started a new channel called Journal Life's Journey. So I didn't want to mix in my journal making with planning, so I wanted to keep it separate, so I created a new channel. If you're interested in the journaling, please support and go over and subscribe to the channel. There's one video that I just uploaded recently. By the time this video goes live, there may be more videos, but please support the channel. And that information will be in the description box below as well as in the eye above. This journal is in the video that's over there on the channel, and it is available in my shop at scrapcraftastic.com. I will leave a link to the journal if it's still available by the time this video goes up. The link will be in the description box below. So let's get into this. I still have not done anything to this cover. I'm not enthused to set up a planner. I don't know why. There's no papers that are making me say, ooh, I need to use those papers to set up a planner. There's nothing come out like that. And I could do a washi cover on this, just cover it with washi. But I don't really have any washi other than the Jane Davenport washi that I would want to use to do that. So I'm just going to continue not to worry about that. I did not do any planning in this notebook last week. It was the week of Hurricane Dorian, and it moved, so it was a slow moving storm. It took pretty much the whole week. I spent a lot of the previous week preparing for the storm, expecting it to hit early Monday morning, and it didn't. We didn't really get anything until Wednesday, and it wasn't really anything major in my area, so nothing got planned, obviously, because I was busy preparing for the storm, watching the storm. So even though I did do some social media, I wasn't on any particular schedule. So let's jump on to, almost was on the wrong week, this week. This is, like I mentioned before, is going to be a very hectic and busy month for me. But anywho, these are the washis that I have selected to work with. I'm not sure where I got this one from. I think it may be from Hobby Lobby. This is Walmart, this is Walmart, and this is Walmart. So, and I think I'm going to use one of my dolls this week. And I don't know if I'm going to use a sticker book or what else I'm going to use. Let's get started. Oh, and I'm going to use these day covers, I think. These are from a custom client order, and I still have the file, and as I mentioned previously, I felt like I could get plenty of use out of this, and this will probably be an upcoming perk over on Patreon. So I'm going to start with this Walmart washi here. And I think I'm going to go ahead and cover up the day, since I am going to use the stickers. So let's go ahead and put the days of the week down before I forget. I think I'll use the tweezers. For those of you that don't know, the tweezers give you a little more control over placing smaller stickers. And even though these are not that small, I have peripheral neuropathy in my fingertips and in my feet. So it's a little harder for me to manipulate smaller stickers. It's a little frustrating, so I just go ahead and use the tweezers. The neuropathy was caused by the chemotherapy, which was one of the reasons why it was stopped a little earlier. The really heavy chemotherapy was stopped October. My last treatment was October 31st, and then I had just the other basic treatment after that. But yeah, because I was really bad off back then. But I'm glad it's over. But yeah, the doctor is telling me that the neuropathy I still may have some effects of it, but it should go away after a year. So I'm figuring by October 31st this year, I should be much better. I thought I was getting better at the beginning of the year, but then it kind of just changed to a different feeling. So I don't know. And my voice sounds a little weird to me. I think I'm having an allergy attack this morning. Okay, so we got the days of the week down. I'm gonna leave the dates as they are. This is one of the sticker books from Walmart. It has this banner in here, but I think it's too big with the florals. I think I want to save that for something else. Nothing else in here really speaks to me as far as this spread. Okay, let's go ahead and put down a doll. Put her right here. I don't know about the arm being in the crease. I might need to put a little more in the crease. No, I'm gonna leave it. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. Don't overthink it. Okay. Monday is gonna be a day off. I have a procedure that day, so I'm not gonna put anything down for that day, but I can put a little flower there, I think. No, I don't think so. I don't want it to look so much like a previous spread that I did, so I'm not going to do that. Let's see what I have in my old stickers. Trying to think of what I'm going to do on what days. I think I'll use this last gray one on Friday. And these were from some free printables that I found on Pinterest. You can follow me on Pinterest and check my free printables board. I'm pretty sure I saved them to the board over there. Let's use this last It's Planning Time sticker on this sheet. These are my own stickers that I made. So I'm going to put it on Thursday. Again, this is the day that I'm supposed to do my planning. As far as recording videos, it doesn't usually happen, but that's when I'm supposed to do it. These are from a printable that's available in my shop as well. And what I did on this, I think this is the regular size, and then I reduced it with this one to make a smaller version. So I'm putting the boxes down for a way to highlight specific things for those days that I need to do. And then I'm also going to use checklist washi, and I do have a 3 set of this checklist washi available in my shop. You can go check it out at scrapcraftastic.com and just click the link that says shop, and you should see it in the new releases. Okay. So again, the checklist washi is in the shop at scrapcraftastic.com. Let's see what else we can decorate with. Okay, this is Gold Star Quotes from the Happy Planner, and I'm just flipping through to find a sticker for Monday because it's not too much black. I wonder how that would look. And I do need to make it happen this week. I need to make it happen every week, but ooh, I like that one too. Current state on a mission. Let me keep looking. I like that one. But just a lot of black. Ugh. I'm gonna wipe this out. I wasn't going to, but this is 1, 2, 3, 4 from Create 365, which is the Happy Planner. And it has some florals that kind of match our spread. So I'm going to use a few of those. Okay, let's see if we add some of this bubble washi to the bottom. There we go. Yeah, I like that. Since this paper is so thin, I do like to add washi, especially to the bottom. It kind of seems to help weight the paper some, even just by adding the washi in the little area where the day of the week is, in that little header area for each day. Gives the paper a little more weight and sturdiness. So it looks a little empty over here. I'm going to put a little something there, a little flower, a little something. Yeah. So I think that's it for this week's social media plan with me. Let's go ahead and pop it back into the notebook. I guess I could add a couple of patent stickers. I think I will. So I hope you enjoyed this week's social media plan with me. If you liked the video, please give me a thumbs up. And also make sure you're subscribed and hit the little gray bell so that you'll receive notification each time I upload a new video. Remember to check the community tab and my stories for updates throughout the week. If you have any comments or questions, please leave them below. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.